Dad, you're up. 4? No, Dad, I got video going. I got video going. Is he good? Can you go? Okay, Dad.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
All right, don't embarrass me.
Yeah, I got to go back over here, though.
Get some big jumps and then jump as far as you can. Okay, anytime. Anytime now, Dad. I know, I was coming to get you. Watch, look at Poppy, how long he's taking. Go! Jump in! Jump! There you go. This is the best part. Like, look at him trying to get out. This is the best part. Oh, this is great. Poppy can't get out. Poppy can't get out. Ah. You need help, Dad? Ah. Ah. He's out.
I got buried.
We're almost at the 2-minute mark from when you started.
You know, I heard you up there, and I'm just laughing down here. I can't believe it.
Tell Poppy to hurry up.
Right there. Hurry up, Poppy.
He's getting out.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.